This is a mini P-51D from our friends at Top RC. Should be really easy to fly. It's got everything in the box that you need to fly it. Even we found the AA's, the 4 AA's that go in the transmitter. It comes with those as well. So all you need to do is use the provided USB lead to charge up the flight battery, and then turn on the transmitter, plug in the battery, and that will turn on the aeroplane, and then we're ready to fly. Let's give it a go. Okay, so we're ready to fly. This is the radio transmitter that you get. You'll notice on here that you've got an aerobatics button. Won't worry about that yet because we haven't even flown it. But then we've got a switch, a 3-position switch that's got beginner, mid and expert mode. So beginner mode will very much limit the bank angle and the pitch angle, and will certainly not allow you to roll or pitch to inverted. The mid will let you do that, and we'll have stabilisation turned on as well. Expert mode is a lot more sensitive. How sensitive, I don't know until I try flying it. But let's try that now. Ready? I'll put it in mid mode to start off with, and I'll give it a launch. Well, as predicted, it's super easy to fly. It flies on about third throttle. So that's in mid mode, and that's hands off. Pretty much flies by itself in a straight line, and you just have to correct it when you want to make the turns.
This is off, man.
Right, so I'm going to put it in expert mode. Certainly a lot more sensitive on the sticks now, and it's not stabilised. But it will let me do loops. Back into medium mode. And let's bring it in. Oh. And that's the great thing about these. You notice the propeller got knocked off, but that's part of the design. It just literally pops back on. It's designed so that it does pop off, because without the undercarriage, and incidentally it does come with landing gear, not retractable but fixed landing gear. If you don't use those, and you can't really use them off rough grass, then the propeller blade will hit the ground first and get knocked off like that. You just pop it back on. Incidentally, there are spare propeller blades in the box that come with it. So that's the Top RC Mini P-51D. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment, but as you've seen here, I can fly in a small space relatively easily. You don't have to go to a big park or a model flying club to actually fly this. It's very light, and safe because it's made of foam. So thanks for watching this flight test of the Top RC P-51D. We'll be back soon for more flight tests on Essential RC. Thanks to Sam on camera, and see you soon.